Tatiana and a handful of time to waste. So let's install extensions with me today. Thank you so much for joining me. Excuse my little spookiness. I decided it's Halloween season, so I needed some Halloween spirit, right? But thank you so much for joining me. I decided I had some time on my hands. I wanted to install my extensions and make a video for you guys. I did go ahead and install about 30 to 40 locks this session. Um, I believe it took about 4 hours. It usually takes about 4 to 8 hours for any of my installs, whether I have help or not. And these ones here I will show you are purple and silver. I did make them. It took me about a month to make all of these, and I did make a total of 50 of them, I believe. I am currently making some black ones that are really long so that way I can mix them in with these ones, and then I have purple, silver, and black. I think that goes really well when you mix them. Um, I know plenty of other people that make their own and they're so beautiful. Mine are none like that, but these are also gorgeous. I absolutely love these. And I will show you a couple of different ways how I styled it. I like to do this cute little, what is it? A bun. I like to do these cute little like bun style mohawk. But instead of like two buns on the sides, I'll put buns down the middle, and I think it looks really neat. It's a cute little twist. Here I am. I do have the single ended right now. I did the bottom row double ended. These are going to be single, and then I will do about two more rows of single before I switch back to the double ended locks. And that way it will fill in a lot of the gaps and make it look a lot fuller. I'm almost done here. Yes. I was so excited for these. I took a long time to make these. Um, but I was really excited to wear them. I like wearing them a lot. I just am a little sad because I ordered a different type than I usually do, because they just didn't have the color that I wanted, and I did not feel like intertwining all the colors myself. So I ordered it from a different, it was not the same brand, and I was a little bit sad because it does shed a lot. This set does shed a lot, so it makes me a little sad, but it's alright. It looks really nice. I really love it. And here we go. Yes, these I believe are the double as well. Yes, so I do the double and then I intertwine those single in between the double. I will do another video where I show you. I wanted to do that with this one, but I decided to speed it up and make it a short and sweet video for you guys today, and just get it out there because I don't have any videos right now for you guys. So I'm going to put this as my first video. So thank you so much for bearing with me if you've made it this far. I know it is my first video. I am working on it. They will get better, I promise. But here I am. I am almost done, and I do leave my bangs out. I don't know why. I don't like putting the locks all the way to the front. I feel really weird when I don't have bangs when I have locks on, but when I have my regular hair, I don't like bangs. It's a little weird, but I really like how these ones came out. It looked really full, it looked really nice, and I like doing the sectioning down the middle so that way when I lay it over it looks like a parting, a side parting, and then it just falls a little bit more natural. I don't like when the parting is down the middle when I have my locks. It just looks too bulky. but that's just a personal opinion. And I'm almost done here. I get so excited when I'm almost done, I tend to speed up. And here we go. Yes, it looks so great. They're so long. I love it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys liked it. See you later.